Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Alphabet shares slumped after its cloud unit's growth fell to a near 3-year low, paling in comparison to Microsoft's relative success as the tech giants race to make money from generative artificial intelligence. The European Central Bank is expected to keep rates on hold when it meets this week in Athens. While inflation pressures are easing and the economic outlook is worsening for the euro area, the 20 nations that share the euro, the ECB will insist on keeping rates high for a prolonged period of time. Bitcoin briefly topped $35,000 for the second time this week, but prices quickly reversed as that level appeared to trigger numerous sell orders, possibly from miners.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's export price index will be released at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's import price index at 00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 12:30 GMT. Spain's unemployment survey will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT. The US durable goods orders at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.